Doing affiliate marketing with AI simplifies a lot of things and lets you focus on what is required to make $100 a day. And in this video, I want to walk through a real example. As you see here, I promoted a product from the 5th of March, the 7th of March, and I made $371.89. That's just a little over $100 a day. This is the sales page for the product. It's important to understand that we're just going to take the information from the sales page and we are going to let people know why this product will help them. So while we're here, before we jump into the AI, I'm simply just going to select everything on this page and copy it because we're going to need that here in a second because we're going to jump into the AI and then we're going to put that information in and we're going to paste all that in. And as you can see, I've just put all that information here simply into the AI. Then the next step is to instruct the AI how to assist us to do affiliate marketing. Give me a list of the main benefits from this sales page. Then you simply hit submit. It says just a second and it's going to crunch all the stuff, or it's going to crunch all those words, and it's going to give you the stuff that you need to know to be able to let people know how this product can actually help them. So based on the provided sales page, here's a list of the main benefits offered. The core system and results, ease of use and simplicity, content and training, target audience benefits, guarantees and support. These are all aspects that you need to hit on when you let people know how this product is going to help them. Because essentially, as an affiliate marketer, your job, your only job, is to get people to focus on the benefits, how this product will help them get from where they are right now with the problem they have over to the solution, the fix for the problem, which is the product. So we go back and we say, okay, let's look at the core system and results. We have a proven framework. It has real income proof. They show consistent income. It is a step-by-step blueprint, right? Ease and use of simplicity, no complicated tech, avoid complex websites, coding your software, no paid ads, and understand that's specifically for this product. This works for any use case for any product that you're promoting as an affiliate. And the point was to get a list of the main benefits and then move on with the AI because we've set the context. We've set the context for the conversation based around we're trying to solve people's problems or we're addressing the common pain points, which is the next prompt. Now, take those and match them up to common pain points people who are trying to make money online and have failed feel, i.e., what keeps them awake at night. Understand that this product is targeted at people that are trying to make money online. So you need to change that to your target audience, the people that you're trying to solve a problem for and the product that you're trying to be an affiliate for. In this case, we're going to go ahead and hit submit because we're looking for common pain points and the AI is going to just give them to us. All right, let's connect those benefits to the common pain points that keep struggling online earners awake at night. Pain point. I'm overwhelmed by all the complex tech and tools. Benefit match. No complicated tech. In the tech overwhelm. Simple screencast method, set and forget approach. It's matching the benefits up to the pain point. The pain point is what we want to hit. We want to hit the pain point. And they say in marketing, they have this, thing about you want to make sure that they feel the pain. You want to stick the knife in and twist it. And I don't mean that in a bad way. I'm just trying to emphasize what it is you're trying to accomplish. You're not trying to build a better mousetrap. You're trying to create bigger, scarier mice. These are marketing tactics and techniques. If you don't feel comfortable with this stuff, okay, then you can use a different angle. You don't have to attack the pain points, but understand that we go back and this is how you let people know that already have pain in their life. They experience these pain points. You're trying to show them how to ease this pain. So focus on that as the aspect of what we're trying to do. Then we have all these pain points. At that point, you could start creating content. And you now understand by directly addressing these common pain points, the sales page can create a strong emotional connection with potential customers. And your job, your focus at this point is to now understand the benefits, the solution that's actually being given by the product, the benefits, the pain, and how to address the pain and let them know and connect them with the sales page, connect them with the solution. And we're going to do that with another prompt, and I've entered it here. Perfect. Now write me an email to promote the product based on the biggest pain point, but don't just pick at random. Create a contest and score each pain point, highest to lowest, based on which one causes the most pain, and this product will solve for the people that have tried but failed to make money online. So now what the AI is going to do, it's going to run a contest based upon the pain points. So we had the pain points up here, remember? We didn't just make these up or just pull them out of thin air. The AI is looking at common pain points that it knows and understands about people that experience this problem. So what we've done now is we've told it to run a contest. Absolutely, let's create a pain point scoring system and then craft a compelling email. Pain point scoring system, highest to lowest, for those who have repeatedly failed to make money online. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, the primary pain point, or after the contest, therefore the primary pain point we'll focus on is I'm putting in a lot of effort but not seeing any income. Out of all these 9 pain points, it scored them and it came up with that one. So then it comes back down and it says, okay, let's write the email. And of course, email starts with the subject line. So choose one of them. Tired of effort without earnings, finally a real solution. Stop working hard, start earning smart. The income proof is inside. Understand that this product actually has to meet this solution that you've identified. If the product that you're promoting doesn't actually solve the pain, then don't promote it, or at least don't say that it solves this pain. Find some other reason to promote it. Figure out if the product actually does what it says on the sales page. But this is how you use AI to come up with ways to identify the pain and let people know that you have a solution for it. So we go back and then it has written the email for us. Are you working harder than ever, putting in countless hours and still seeing your online income stuck at zero? And remember who we're targeting. We're targeting people in this example who have the problem of the fact that they're working hard, but they can't make any money online. So it's written the email for us, and then it's going to say, or down here, there's a PS. I'm confident this system will work for you, and I'm offering a 14-day money-back guarantee. Understand that it wrote this from the perspective of, in this case, David Mills, the person that created this product. So what you need to do now is you just need to have AI assist you and adjust. And you're just going to continue the conversation here and say, let's make a quick correction. I'm an affiliate for this product, and I'm recommending it based on the fact that I know this training works. And then here is where you just move forward with the AI and you say, okay, let's make a few adjustments for this idea. And the reason we're making these adjustments again is because it wrote it from the perspective of writing from the creator, because we copied that information from the sales page. You have to let the AI know that you're affiliate. You are the affiliate. And also check and see how these subject lines changed. So here are the new subject lines with the new information because you're an affiliate. I found something that actually works and I'm sharing it with you. You see how that has tweaked it just a little bit to let people know that, look, I found this. I'm making a recommendation as an affiliate. You need to check this out. And you do that because you're leaning on the fact that you built that trust and you've built that connection with people, that relationship with an audience by helping them and showing them how to do the thing it is you're trying to make sure that they can do, which is why you're creating content, which is why you're sending them emails in this case. Or you could also take this and use it for social media posts. But check this out. You now have different angles here. Finally, an affiliate course that delivers results. Stop wasting time. The affiliate system changed everything for me. That's very powerful. If you've gone through the training and you've actually used it. In the case of this product, I promoted it because this is based on exactly what I do here on YouTube, but just a subset of it where he did a deep dive into a very specific type of video. So I would be able to use this headline, stop wasting time. This affiliate system changed everything for me, because I know that when I started making those types of videos, I was able to earn commissions. Then it goes into the body of the email. And at any point, you have to change this. If it says something in a way that you don't feel comfortable with, or if it says something that you don't believe, then you have to change it. But this is essentially the message that you would send, you would just simply highlight this message, and it even tells you where to put your affiliate link. Your affiliate link goes right here. Right there is where you put your affiliate link when you put it in your email autoresponder. Now, of course, if you don't have an email list yet and you want to build up on social media, then you might try this prompt. Please make this into a Facebook post and add emojis for effect. The AI is going to then create you a Facebook post. Now, that may be overdoing it with emojis. I know it is for me, but the point is it's going to create it in a different format. It even gave you some hashtags down here. Whether or not those make sense for you and your social media strategy, you need to understand how that works. Also, you might not want to put your affiliate link, or you might not be allowed to put your affiliate link. So you might say something here in the comments, or let people know, to let you know in the comments that that they are interested in learning more about this system or this training, because you're tapping into that pain point. Tired of working hard and seeing zero income online? I feel you. I've been there, spinning my wheels, chasing shiny objects and getting nowhere. Of course, at any point you can tell the AI, you could do something like this. That is good, but let's not use any marketing jargon and use more common words that people would use on social media around these pain points. And again, all you're doing is you are letting it change the message just ever so slightly. And then you're going to read it and you're going to say, okay, so I gotta share something with you guys. And that may not be the way you speak. So if you don't say gotta, then don't type gotta just for effect, right? But read this and see if it makes sense. Okay, so I got to share something with you guys. I know how I've been trying, or you know how I've been trying to make some extra money online. Yeah, it's been a mess. I felt like it was working, or I felt like I was working so hard, but nothing was happening, like literally nothing. I think you see the difference in that paragraph versus this paragraph. You know, sort of that marketing jargon versus someone having a story to share and sharing how they were able to change the mess that they were in, and then taking that information and posting it on social media. This is how you use AI and affiliate marketing. If you made it this far, let me know in the comments that you made it, and understand that AI is powerful. So say, focus. We're going to focus on using AI as a tool that it is. Let me know that you're in it to win it. Let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.